Sunil Gavaskar drops a surprising take on Virat Kohli's technique despite his stellar record. Plus, did Mohammad Siraj really break Shoaib Akhtar's speed record, or was it just a speed gun glitch? Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. MKK The Daily Pulse, one destination for updates around the world. Let's dive into the action from day one of the second test between India and Australia. Virat Kohli, with over 9,000 test runs and 30 centuries, was dismissed cheaply, scoring just 7 runs. Caught in two minds by a short-pitched delivery from Mitchell Starc, Kohli's high backlift came under scrutiny. Sunil Gavaskar, while pointing out this technical flaw, downplayed the dismissal, attributing it to bad luck rather than a major issue. Matthew Hayden, on the other hand, noted Kohli's return to his offside guard, contrasting it with his success using the onside approach in Perth. Now, about that jaw-dropping speed record by Mohammad Siraj. A speed gun malfunction displayed Siraj's delivery at an impossible 181.6 kph, momentarily making him the fastest bowler ever. This was quickly debunked as a technical glitch, and Shoaib Akhtar's records of 161.3 kph from the 2003 World Cup still stands. Quite a hilarious mix-up, don't you think? Day one saw India opting to bat first and getting bowled out for 180. Mitchell Starc was outstanding, claiming 6 wickets for 48 runs. Nitish Kumar Reddy topped the charts for India with a score of 42. Australia finished the day at 86 for 1, trailing by 94 runs. Nathan McSweeney and Marnus Labuschagne played resiliently under the lights. Jasprit Bumrah was the only Indian bowler to claim a wicket, dismissing Usman Khawaja. For a bit of fun, Virat Kohli's on-field antics were caught on the stump mic. His animated praise for Bumrah's delivery to Labuschagne and his superstitious swapping of bails added some light-hearted moments to the day. Thank you for watching. See you next time with new updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.